Oh, what a beautiful day! Sweet popcorn binge watching. My favorite part. What? How come it's gone so fast? Okay, I think I have candy. It's good that I keep my secret stash always full. I'm such a smart slime. Huh? This is impossible! Where's all the candy? It looks like I'm gonna have to find a part-time job or something. I need to make enough money to fill up my candy supply. Wish me good luck, guys. Ooh, I got so many job offers. Let's check them all out right now. Couch tester? I wonder what kind of job it is. Do I just lay down all day? That actually doesn't sound too bad. I'd be relaxed and probably bored. Nah, let's see what's next. Ghost hunter? Seriously? Like catching real ghosts? Oh, sounds too scary and dangerous. Ah!
Okay, let me have a look. Oh, this is interesting. Viral hack tester. What do you think?
Huh? A viral hack tester? This is my destiny. I'm off to my job interview.
Oh, this color really looks nice.
Sue, you're not gonna believe what happened to me. It's absolutely crazy. Oh, poor me. What am I gonna do? My career is ruined.
Sammy, calm down. Take a deep breath and tell me what happened.
To get that job, I have to nail down the test task. Oh, I need Barbie. I can't do it without her.
Don't worry, I'm on it. Hey, Barbie, Sammy has gotten a test task from his new job. Could you help us out?
Sure, no problem. See you soon, guys.
Great, thanks.
Sue, while we are waiting for Barbie, we need to prepare all the necessary stuff. Come on! Let's get to work. Sue, help!
Sammy, what are you? Huh? You okay? How only do you get into trouble so fast?
I don't know. I really wish I knew that, Susie. Maybe it's one of my many talents?
Ooh, that's right. You are very talented and very humble.
Hey, everybody, I'm here.
Barbie, thank you so much for agreeing to help me with this. I'm so glad you came. Here.
So what do you need?
Just have a little rest while Sue is still prepping. Hey, Sue, how is it going? Oh, almost ready, huh?
Not quite. I still need to tie the fabric over this rubber lace. It is not complicated at all, but still it's better not to rush. There we go. Now I need to repeat the same thing a few more times.
Here, I've highlighted a few rules for my future job. Rule number 1, be attentive. That's easy. I always stay alert at all times. Nothing happens without me noticing. Hey, come back!
Now, this is what we've got, guys. A beautiful skirt for Barbie. Doesn't it look gorgeous? Let's try it on to make sure it fits. Oh, great job! You are all set for the skirt fitting. Now, stand still. There we go. Wow, I totally love it. What about you? Do you like it?
Wow! This skirt looks amazing on you. It's like you're from some fairy tale.
I agree, but this top doesn't match the skirt at all.
Don't worry. It's just the next thing on our list of hacks testing. We'll use a matching fabric, like this. Let me tie a pretty knot over here and we're done.
I love it. So cute and trendy.
So happy to hear that. And you look absolutely gorgeous, Barbie.
Wait, let me see. It's like something is missing. Well, we've got the top, right? Yes, this part is done. And the skirt? Looks perfect, too. Oh no, this can't be real. I know what we forgot about. Mayday! Sue, I lost the page with the accessories task.
Don't panic. We still can choose from what we have. How about this? And maybe this?
And I finally remembered where I put those earrings. Cancel the panic, Sue! Hurry up! Take them off me!
There we go. Just check out how shiny they are. Stunning. So, the fast and trendy outfit hack is complete.
Wait, but the rules of the hack tester are... Nope! I need to come up with something more fun and creative. Hey, back off!
Oh, Sammy, Rules may not always be fun, but they help us stay safe.
Yeah. I don't know what you're talking about, Sue. How does this new rule sound to you? A true hack tester always tests an item to see if it's strong enough. Oh, that's just what I need to test that rule. Come to Papa.
Whoa! Not like this, Sammy.
But Sue, I need to do that to prove my new rule. Ouch! Something seems to have gone wrong. But it was fun!
No, it wasn't. That's why we need rules. Good thing I have a spare balloon.
How about this? A real hack tester does not test balloons for strength.
Sounds more like it.
Wrote that one down? It's good that I decided to come up with all those rules.
But why do you need them? You already know everything about testing hacks.
Hey, guys! All done. We can try this on now.
I've been thinking. Can I maybe keep this dress?
As soon as I get hired, I promise to give you anything you'd like. You will have tons of dresses, don't worry.
Really?
Oh, Barbie, aren't you lucky? Okay, here we go. Ugh. Oops! I think this dress is too tight. Just a little bit more. Oh, I have an idea. We can use a bit of magic. Great. Oh, wow, you look stunning, Barbie. And we also found some matching shoes for you.
Okay, so the balloon dress hack really worked. I should take a note about it here. Here's a mirror for you. Oh, my tibidaba. This is so heavy. Let me put it down.
Yay! Now I can see all the cool outfits you pick out for me. Thanks, Sammy. I look amazing.
Everything for you, Barbie.
Don't you think it's time to get to our next hack?
You are right. Hey, Sue, have you seen our... Wait, what?
What? Is something wrong, Sammy?
No way. It can't be. Oh, no. I think you're allergic to crafts. I need to do something about it.
What? Wait.
Oh, my feta. How will we work now? Let me fix it.
Sammy, you're such a drama king. It's just a temporary tattoo.
Really? Hail Tibidaba. I'll go take a shower. All this tattoo thing made me sweaty.
Barbie, would you like to get a tattoo?
Sure, let's do it on my arm.
Great. I'm sure it will look very pretty. Sammy, I need your help.
Did you call me, Sue?
What is taking you so long?
All that thinking about allergies has been so stressful I took 4 showers already. Hey, give it back!
Check it out. We didn't waste any time either.
Wow, it's so beautiful. I changed my mind. Temporary tattoos look awesome.
See? Told ya. And look how easy it washes out. Just a few gentle rubs. And voila!
Let's do another one on my shoulder, Sue.
Of course! I have many designs ready. We just need to stick the tattoo sheet and press it down with a wet cloth.
I never dreamed of having such a cool tattoo. Thank you, guys.
Okay, let me write that one down. Temporary tattoo hack works perfectly. We did a great job, Sue. Let's try all the tattoos. There are so many of them.
I think that's enough tattoos for today, okay?
Pretty please.
No!
Don't be afraid to experiment. Everything must be tested, even if it seems strange. Sounds interesting. Be brave and pushing, don't be afraid.
Sammy? Hello?
Sue, I'm busy here.
I will get to work then. Next on the list, hairpins for dolls. We need to make it dry so our beautiful rhinestones don't fall off.
What's up, Sue?
You scared me. Don't do that again, please.
Sorry, it was just a joke. Oh, what did you make?
It's a hairpin. And look, it really matches Barbie's eyes. Check them out, guys. All of them look just amazing, right?
Ah, I see you use the UV light. Clever. I need to write it down. UV light, hairpins,
Guys, I'm going out with Ken soon, but this outfit is too boring.
Let's see if we can work something out. This one? Or maybe this one?
Sue, say hello to my jewelry box. Usually I keep my candies there, but now it's full with something pretty.
What, really? Sounds great! This would be a hack for you and an accessory for Barbie. Wow! I'm gonna choose this one. Let's try it on. I'll tighten it a bit, like this. Ta-da! Why don't we try this as a bracelet? Perfect!
Wow! Guys, I really look awesome.
And I'm definitely getting that job. I did it! I mean, I got it!
Awesome! Tell me everything.
They like the skirt, the dress, and everything else!
Sammy, I'm so happy for you.
Guess what? Tomorrow's my first day! Yay! Thanks for being with us today, guys!
Like this video? Don't forget to subscribe and see you soon!
Bye!